Hey there, welcome to day 1370 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. We actually got a roof going on following some storms this summer. Finally got into it today. Waited a couple hours because it was really loud earlier, but now I decided I wanted to just knock out my videos. Still feeling under the weather, drinking lots and lots of lemon water, but it isn't doing the trick yet, so we'll keep plugging away at it. I don't know about y'all, but I forget how annoying colds are and how long they actually last. Everybody in the house has got a cold now, so we're just kind of passing the germs around. Even though we're being super duper careful since the days of COVID, we still get colds. So although I'm feeling under the weather, I'll talk more than 1 minute. I think it was like a minute and a half yesterday. I felt a little bit bad, but I was really feeling down yesterday. Today, not enough sleep, roofing pounding since 7:30 this morning, and still feeling under the weather. So today, Get Up and Go Challenge summary. Did a summary of the first 30 days. Today is day 30 of the challenge, and talked about, and I did it on the wrong page. That's pretty hilarious. All right, well, I definitely have been feeling under the weather the last couple of days. So just talked through what we did over the 30-day challenge and the tools that we used. The topic, the tools we used, a couple things about action items, but really didn't talk about the action items very much because expecting that people did the thing every day that they needed to do to participate in the challenge. If you did, you benefit. If you didn't, it's your loss. It's not really any skin off my nose. And then one thing I did last month is I broke down by tool the different tools that we use for the S, the O, the A, the P, and then these we use for all of them for the different areas and aspects of our life. And I think that that's probably a powerful table that I will turn into a cheat sheet or something. But if you don't know what, the urine analysis is, or what imaginary friend exercise is, or lifeline exercise, it's not as valuable a tool as a cheat sheet as if you know and you've been through the challenge at least one time. Now, the cool thing about the challenge is it's always there. It never disappears. All 9 are there on the Get Up and Go Challenge group page. It's a free group. You just have to say you're not going to spam and join. And you can have access to 9. And at the end of this year, it will be 10 30-plus day challenges. And there's a couple other things in there. I think we did No Nonsense November last year, where once every day in November, I got on and talked about a topic of, with respect to business and life, and just lessons that I've learned over the last, 6 decades plus. And today then also our idiom, our expression for supersize your business was at the 11th hour, meaning something happens at the last minute. Usually something good happens at the last minute, or something unexpected happens at the last minute, or the last possible time that it could happen in order for something to work out or be a success. It's actually from biblical times, which might be why it's, one of those expressions that I think almost everyone knows and understands at least, or has had some experience with. Our annual challenge this year to do one thing every day that centers us was about leaping and the net will appear, which is always a good philosophy to have. So often we stop ourselves from taking action because of fear, doubt, worry of things that might happen, or uncertainty. We freeze because we're uncertain. Well, we're always uncertain, right? Nothing is guaranteed. And so at some point we just have to take that leap, take that action, take that leap of faith, knowing that the net will appear, the universe will support us, etc. So I'm going to be nursing my cold with some pounding in the background today. I honestly hate to admit this, but I don't even want to post or do my videos. And I feel bad that it's been about 3 or 4 days like that, where all I've just wanted to do is just like crawl back in my bed and hide under my warm, cozy covers, listen to some hypnosis or meditation tapes, and just relax and just focus on my body healing and knocking out all these little germs. If I can help you in any way, any questions, I'm laying low, so I have some time and energy to help. Just ask, type me a quick text message. Say, hey, I've been working on this. I'm stuck on this. Do you have 5 minutes to ask and answer one question? Absolutely. Vox for me. I think my Vox is still Pajama Grandma. Anyway, that's it. That's all I've got today. Go out and make it an awesome day. Again, hopefully over the next couple of days, my head will clear and the fog will be lifted and things will be back to my normal energetic self. Till then, I wish you an awesome day. And again, if I can help in any way, please ask. All right, catch you tomorrow.